Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Old Bill's Barbecue. Valentine's Day has just passed, so we're going to take you through the steps on how to make a heart-shaped ribeye steak. Follow through to the end so you can make a steak that looks just like this.
Alright, so for this cook today, we went to our local butcher nearby and we grabbed a 1.5 inch thick ribeye. We're going to take our knife and butterfly this steak. Yes, I know this is a carving knife, but for matter at hand and not having any sharp knives at the moment and not enough time, that's what I had to use. So we're just going to take our knife and butterfly the steak. Not all the way through. We want to make sure that we don't completely cut our 1.5 inch steak in half, because it will obviously cut the heart in half. So we're going to go right until that steak can be folded and flattened on the board. It'll really take shape pretty quickly. You can already start to see the heart shape coming through. So once you get that, you're going to do some final trimmings and just put a little bit more of a notch in the top so the rounded parts at the top will look more like the top of a heart. And you'll come up with a product like this. Once we do some further trimmings, it will really look just like a heart. We're going to take some of these excess chunks of fat off the end here so we can get that nice point right at the bottom. And really, that's all you have to do. Once you get it all trimmed up and it looks just like your beautiful heart, you can take this beautiful heart-shaped steak, cook it for the one you love on any special romantic occasion, and I guarantee you'll be sure to impress. And there we have it, folks, our perfect, beautiful heart-shaped ribeye steak. Let's get to cooking. Here we go, moment of truth. Nice. We got that press on there to get that nice crust on the outside. We have that butter, thyme, and garlic in there too to give it all those beautiful good flavors. Over here we got some tenderloin. Can't go wrong with this tremendous cut of beef. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay up to date with what we do each week.